You must have seen him trying food in the other videos. Today we are going to make pizza with a twist.
Oh guys, the twist is not me. The twist is the sauce. We are gonna make homemade sauce with homemade ingredients.
For the ingredients of the pizza sauce, it is
Grated tomato, grated onion, ginger garlic paste and some spices. And the ingredients for the toppings are
potato cubes, tomato cubes, grated cheese, and some chutney, green chutney. So, let's start making the sauce.
Sure, why not? So, we will first take the pan, light it. Be careful while you light that. Take a little bit of oil. Shayaan, now that the oil is hot, let's put the onion.
Okay, so be very careful because it's hot and it can burn you. So, now that the ginger garlic paste has been mixed, now we put the tomato.
So be very careful here.
Now that our sauce is ready, we'll put it in a medium-sized bowl. So now that our sauce is ready, let's put the toppings.
Yeah, it looks so good. Ooh la la. So Shayaan, until you are putting the sauce in the pizza base, let me prepare the toppings by mixing the aloo and the green chutney.
Alright. Now let's put our toppings.
Okay.
First, let's take our cheese.
Now let's fill it up with the cheese. Now we're gonna put this in an oven for 5 to 7
Okay.
minutes. Whoa, now our pizza is ready and I can't wait to eat it. Let's try a piece. Cheers. Wow.
Try this at home. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
And please comment down below.